A record entry of runners for the Prague Half-Marathon. 12,500 lined up in the freezing conditions. Amongst them, Eritrea's Zersenay Tadese, the world record holder over the 21.1 kilometre distance. Tadese was part of a five-man group that formed at the head of the race, where he was joined by compatriot Amanuel Mesel and Kenyan trio Pius Kirop, Kiplagat and John Kipsang. That quintet stayed together until the final kilometre, when an injection of pace from Mesel split the group. The only man that could match his pace was fellow Eritrean Tadese, who then edged ahead in the sprint to the finish line. Tadese won in a time of 1 hour 10 seconds, with Mesel recording the same time for second place. Kipsang followed them home 6 seconds behind for third, while Kirop held on for fourth, ahead of Kiplagat in fifth. Kenya's Gladys Cherono blew away the competition in the women's race, setting a new course record of 1 hour 6 minutes and 48 seconds. Hervis Prague of Eritrea took second place, and Isabella Ochichi completed the podium places.